The really pretty girl with the guy that's, let's face it, not a GQ model, but he's super funny, and they're dating. Yes, your customers are there to buy a product, but they're also going to buy your personality. It's a tale as old as time. The really pretty girl with the guy that's, let's face it, not a GQ model, but he's super funny, and they're dating. And you're like, how the hell did he land her? Well, it's because he's got a great personality. Look at Kim Kardashian, right? She was dating Pete Davidson. Now, mind you, it helps that he has money, but she's got plenty of it. She doesn't need money. What's she doing with him? Personality. He's a funny guy. Your customer will buy your personality just as much as they're going to buy the product, because the product line is all the same, right? Every dealership you go to, they have the same cars. Now, obviously, inventory shortages, I know, but they're cars, right? They're cars. Salespeople, for the most part, are salespeople. So what are they buying? Well, they're buying an efficient process. They're buying a trained salesperson, but they're buying personality, right? They're buying you, the person. So lean in on making yourself the best version of you from a personality and a rapport standpoint. Remember, you're on stage, you're performing, right? That's an arena that you're in when you walk into that dealership, and you have to be in performance mode all the time. Just because you had a rough day the day before, just because you fought with your girl or your husband prior to coming to the dealership, just because your stomach hurts, that doesn't matter. You gotta be able to perform. They are going to buy your personality. Hey my friend, thank you for watching. If you want to see videos just like this one, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the love and support. And don't forget, leave some comments down below. I'm looking forward to all of your interaction and feedback, and I can't wait to bring you more videos just like this one. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.